Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Farhad. We have another beautiful math problem and I'm gonna show you how to do it easily and quickly. Okay, let's get started. We're given a semicircle. Inside the semicircle there are three rectangles. The rectangles are exactly the same and the diameter of the semicircle is 10. So I'm going to assign x and y as the edges of the rectangle. So here is x and here is y. And if I find the area of one of the rectangles, obviously I can multiply it by 3 and get the total area, which is equal to 3 times x times y. So our goal here is to find x and y. I'm going to draw a line from this corner to this corner and form a right triangle, and since the diameter is 10, this is going to be 5 as the radius, and I'm going to apply the Pythagorean theorem here. X squared plus y squared is equal to 25. This is the first equation. Now some people may jump to conclusion here and say that, well, x is 3 and y is 4, so it adds up to 25, and I'm going to write x and y as 3 and 4, but this is wrong approach, remember that, and we need another equation to find the two unknowns. So I'm going to draw another line from this corner to this corner and continue this line from here to touch here. This is another right triangle formed here, and this is another radius of the circle, and I can write 5 there. This time here is going to be y over 2 because it's exactly half of the length of the rectangle, and here is x, so this is going to be 2 times x. So the second application of Pythagorean theorem here, 2 times x power of 2 plus y over 2 power 2 equal to, again, 25. Let's simplify this. 4x squared plus y power 2 over 4 equals to 25. Let's further simplify it by multiplying both sides to 4 to get rid of 4 in the denominator of the second term. So this is going to be 16x squared plus y squared equal to 100. This is exactly the second equation we needed. Let's continue in another color and write these two equations below one another. 16x squared plus y squared is equal to 100, and x squared plus y squared equal to 25. Subtracting from each other, I will be left with 15x squared, y squared and y squared cancel each other out, and 100 minus 25 is going to be 75, and so x squared is 5, or x is equal to square root of 5. And since x squared is 5, I'm going to plug it in the first equation. So 5 plus y squared is equal to 25, and so y squared is going to be 20, and y is square root of 20. So what do I need? X times y. So x times y is going to be square root of 5, square root of 20, which is equal to square root of 100. This is equal to 10. So area is going to be 3 times 10, or 30. Easy peasy.